All right. Starting over. Woo, 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 woo.
Hello, everybody.
All right. Hi, everyone. Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with my sister, Terry, Tapping Flamingo.
Hello.
And we are here to talk about the virtual Blythe Retreat that's going to be happening online, obviously, September 16th, 17th, and 18th. I have a link down below if you want to head over to my Etsy shop, Hawaii doll shop, and pick up a pass for $10 so you can join us. And today we are doing one of our Q&A videos. We have people who are asking us questions, and so we are doing some short little Q&A videos. If you have a question about the retreat, that might help you, even if you've already joined us and you have a question, feel free to post it in the comments below, and we will I will answer it. And we may do a video about it if we feel like it's a question that probably lots of people have. And this particular question for this video has to do with the goodie bag. People have been asking, what if I don't get the goodie bag? All right, so we have a limited number of goodie bags available. And you know, we did that because we're just small time right now. So, and many of the items in the goodie bag, she and I actually made. So it did take quite a bit of time for us to do all that work. However, you do not need a goodie bag in order to participate in any of the activities that we're going to be doing. So while you don't need a goodie bag in order to participate in any of the activities, for those who did get the goodie bag, we would be super grateful if you did some unboxings in social media land for us. We would love to see that.
Yeah.
If you have a YouTube channel,
Yes.
if you're on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, we'd love to see you open those up and see what you think about our efforts. Okay, we did put quite a bit of work into those goodie boxes. So yeah, let us know what you think about them and show them off to everybody in the social media land.
Yes, but if you tag us so we know.
Oh,
watch them. Yeah,
that's a good idea. Yeah, I forgot about that tagging stuff. Yeah, so tag us too. Yeah, so we see it. Make sure we don't miss it. There's so much out there these days. So yeah, so if you don't get a goodie bag, and at this point in time, when I'm filming this right now, we do have a couple left, but I think by the time we edit it and upload it and everything, they're going to be gone. Maybe checking my shop just in case. Yeah. But if somebody was asking me, well, do I have to get a goodie bag? What if I miss out on the goodie bag? You don't have to get the goodie bag in order to participate. And in fact, right now, once you've bought your ticket, joined the group, you will be able to access our supplies list for all 3 of the projects. In addition to that, Terry's going to do a little something for anybody who contacts her, right, Terry? So why don't you explain that part of it?
Well, so in the goodie bag are a couple of kits to the craft. I'm not going to spill any beans right now, but to the 2 projects that I will be teaching. And you do not have to have those exact beads. You know, it's jewelry, so there's beads and findings in there. So if you missed out on getting the goodie bag, you could do one of a few things. Some of you already make jewelry, and so you probably have beads laying around.
Mm-hmm.
So you could use those. Just look at the files to see exactly what you need.
Look at the supplies list and see, you know, do I have stuff at home already that I could use, right?
Mm-hmm. Or you could go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or even Walmart. They have, you know, beading supplies and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you want exactly what is in the goodie bag that's gone, I can make up some kits for you. But you need to contact me. Just contact me through my Etsy shop, and Tammy will put a link down below in the description box to my Etsy shop.
Her Etsy shop is Tapping Flamingo Bling, right? Just in case.
It is. Yeah.
Tapping Flamingo Bling, right? But I'll put a link down below.
Right, and so I can put up a couple of kits or whatever. If that's
so there would be reserved listings for people who particularly ask about it, right? I mean, we consider just putting up kits, but it's like, you know, maybe some people don't want them. So we want to try to accommodate people who want it. But if people don't want it, no big deal.
Now, and the other thing is too, I could put the kits up there, but unless you're part of the group, you're not going to have the video that goes with it. So I didn't want somebody who had never made jewelry get a kit with no instructions.
Yeah, like what's this? This is a bag of beads. This is baloney.
I don't know what to do with these.
Yeah.
So,
Right. So we want to make sure that if somebody really wanted what was in the goodie bag, and let me just clarify, the goodie bag, every goodie bag is a teensy bit different.
right.
So even though the beads and stuff are pretty much the same, there might be
The color may be a little different on one teeny weeny bead.
Yeah.
I don't want to spoil the surprise.
Right. So, but if you're like, I don't want to go shopping and I don't want to have to, I just want to make this super easy on myself and just get what I need from Terry. She can hook you up. Okay. But it's going to be on an individual basis. So, that way, like she said, she wants to make sure it goes to the people who want the kits, and those who don't want the kits, then that's no big deal. So I think that's kind of, if you got a goodie bag, we'd love to see it on social media. We'd love to see those unboxings. If you didn't get one, don't worry about it. You can still participate. We purposely made the projects very accessible, both skill wise and supply wise. We really kind of tried to think about that, and this retreat is for creative folks. So most of us have craft supplies. And another thing I've noticed is a couple of people have asked about just some of the other items that are in the goodie bags that again, if you missed out, if you want something that maybe is related to the theme, which is peace for our retreat, we will be putting in items in both of our shops, Tapping Flamingo Bling and Kawaii Doll Shop, that are related to the theme. And so, like right now, I know in my shop, I have some Dolly postcards. I have one dress right now, but I'm going to try to add some more.
Is there
Yeah. I think I have a peace dress left. Yeah.
Okay.
And then Terry, what kind of stuff do you have that's kind of peace related in your shop?
I have this necklace.
Oh, that's cute. That's a little peace sign, very big.
And some matching earrings. They're a little peace sign here.
Yeah, so Terry has some finished jewelry items.
I have finished jewelry items.
If you want to, purchase. And, oh, and that bracelet too is really cute.
Yeah.
So they're not necessarily exactly what's in the goodie bag, but we thought, let's add some, just again, because some people missed out. If you want something like, maybe you want to have some peace sign earrings to wear while you're going to the retreat, even though you're going to be home, there's no reason why you can't wear your peace sign jewelry, right? During the retreat. So if that's the case, then, we will have some stuff in our shops. If you want to purchase, if you don't want to purchase, what else? But we want to, again, accommodate everybody.
And also, I have mine on sale for the month of August, just FYI.
Oh, you do? Oh, I don't have a sale. Okay, so she's got some sales going on.
My shop 15% off.
Ooh, oh, okay. Yeah, all right, that's good. Cool beans.
I'm celebrating my birthday. My birthday's in August, so.
Oh, that's right. Your birthday's coming up. Yeah. Okay, well, that's nice. All right, so hopefully that did answer the question, what happens if I don't have a goodie bag? Don't worry about it. Hopefully, it's not going to be a big deal. You can still come, and we look forward to everybody who's already. We're getting a really good turnout so far. Everything is really on track, and we're super psyched.
We are so psyched about this.
Yeah. And we're really grateful for the support that everybody's given us. And we've got some wonderful personal messages from people and comments and that kind of thing. So thank you very, very much for supporting us. And I'm going to wrap it up there. You got anything else, Terry?
Nope. I just want to say thank you to the Dolly community. Y'all are wonderful people.
All right. Please give us a thumbs up. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.